Xiamen Innovacera Advanced Materials Company Limited was established in 2012, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, design, sale, and service of ceramic heater, metallized ceramic, boron nitride, aluminum nitride, and alumina ceramic components. Through different forming processes, we also supply zirconia ceramic, silicon nitride, porous ceramic, ceramic reflector, beryllia ceramic components, ceramic machining service, and technical ceramic solutions. These products are mainly used in aerospace, research, medical, optics, semiconductor, communication equipment, electronic and electrical, automotive, defense, food processing, fluid handling, scientific, thermal processing, process control, textile, pulp and paper, mineral processing, etc. Innovacera has rich experience in the ceramic industry, strictly control the product quality and inspection by excellent teams. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality product, safe package for transport, and reasonable prices. In addition, our associated factory have passed ISO 9001. Our products have got RoHS certificates. One of Innovacera's advantages is no minimum order quantities limit and can delivery goods in a short time because we have many ceramic blank product on stock, and we just need to machine it directly. We are located in Xiamen with convenient transportation access. Our aim is to offer the ideal solution for many applications. Our engineers offer custom solutions beyond our existing products. We warmly welcome customers to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.